Hey guys, got a couple of cars with some busted shocks on them. So we got Project Fury and we got the street car. Project Fury's actually completely lost the screw that holds the shock in there as well, but I've got a replacement one here to put in it. Shocks are the easiest things possible on these. Literally just pop straight off. And then hopefully that should just slide out. Look at that. Nasty. Give this car a full clean on this side anyway, because it's leaked it absolutely everywhere. So got the screw here, so just got to make sure you get your screws in on the right sort of area. And these ones are also annoying, so like an Allen key type screw. So give me 1 second, I'll try to get this started on and then I'll put it back on when I'm going in. Alright, there we go, sorry about that. That one's done now. So that's got some nice spring to it again. You want to make sure, normally a lot of the time a good rule of thumb is with your shocks, you want the chassis to bottom out when you press down on all 4 of them. I'm going to have to probably put some spacers on these because they've got a lot of room to move around. Just think that spring's a little bit off. Yep, there we go. Also got to do this one here. This one's only needs 1 replace, but I'm going to replace it with 2 because I got these nice purple ones for it. These ones are a bit easier too to do because they're literally just a normal like flathead or Phillips head screwdriver. You can get them both off usually without too much effort. So there you go, it's just that 1 screw on the top should just come all the way out. There we go. And there's another one on the bottom, and that will have to be done on both sides. Yeah, there we go. Both top and bottom are off on this one. Just nothing to them now. I think I only ended up spending about maybe 15 Australian dollars for the 4. There we go, I reckon those purple ones look pretty good actually. Got nice front suspension again. The one thing with doing your suspension is important to make sure you put them both completely parallel on the correct slots with each other, both top and bottom. It'll just make sure that the car doesn't sort of like lean to one side or, you know, droop down. I think that's come together pretty good. So I said this was just going to be like a little short video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.